sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tamara and welcome. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe to my channel and join our family. In today's video guys, we are going to reformulate my length retention moisturizing hair butter. Not that anything is wrong with the current formula, but just that it's currently in a butter form and it will melt in warm temperature. Seeing that it's getting pretty warm, it's actually summer basically. I don't want when you guys receive your hair moisturizer, it's melted. So today we are going to make the upgraded version, which is cream-based version. And don't worry, the product will still be just as effective and may even better. All the ingredients are the same. I just needed to make this product water-based instead of oil-based. So guys, for phase A, which is the water phase, I will be adding distilled water, aloe vera liquid, and vegetable glycerin, and all these going to add extra moisture to your hair. It's going to give you a deeper hydration, strengthen the hair strands, and promote overall hair health. So now that I added all my water phase ingredients, I'm going to mix well to make sure everything is combined evenly. So now that our water phase is complete, next we're going to move on to our oil phase, and this is where we're going to measure out all our butters, oils and emulsifiers. So to start off our oil phase, first we're going to measure out our shea butter. Shea butter is a deeply moisturizing natural ingredient that provides intense moisture to dry, brittle hair while strengthening and repairing damage with its rich content of vitamin A and E. It also soothes dry, itchy scalps, reduce dandruff, and seal in hydration to prevent breakage. Known for taming frizz and adding shine, shea butter also forms a protective barrier against heat and environmental stressors, make it ideal for all hair types, especially curly and coily hair texture. Its ability to improve elasticity and support health growth make it a go-to for natural hair care and protective styling. Next, we're going to add our cocoa butter, and cocoa butter deeply moisturize and soften dry, brittle hair, add shine and reduce frizz. It helps strengthen strands, prevent breakage, and soothe dry, itchy scalp, making it ideal for thick or curly hair types. Now that we add all our butters, now we're gonna add our oil, and this is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is lightweight and rich in antioxidant, making it great for moisturizing hair without weighing it down. It also soothes dry scalp and promotes healthy hair growth. This is why our hair butter is the best and so effective. The Amla powder boosts hair growth, strengthens roots, and prevent graying, while the aloe vera oil hydrates, soothes the scalp, and repair damage, leaving the hair healthy, soft, and shiny. So as we all know, water and oil does not mix. So of course, we're going to have to add ingredients which are going to stabilize the formula, which is going to prevent the product from separating. For this formula, I'm going to use cetyl alcohol, but don't be alarmed. This is completely safe for your hair. It's actually an all-natural product. Don't mind the name. Cetyl alcohol acts as a emollient, thickening agent, and emulsifier. So this is actually really good for our hair. It's going to add hydration, frizz reduction, conditioning the hair, retain moisture, and improve hair texture. So next we're going to add our emulsifying wax, and this is going to help to blend the oil and water in our product, creating a smooth, creamy texture. It also adds moisture, improves product stability, and enhances the application and absorption of the product. So now that everything is measured out, now we're going to put 2 pots on the stove, which is one for our phase A and one for phase B, and we're just going to make sure both are at the same temperature. So we're going to let the oils and water and emulsifiers melt, and we're also going to have the water phase warmed at the same time. So just in case you're wondering, this is the double boiler method, and I'm just going to make everything melt and make sure everything is at the same temperature. Okay guys, so now to the fun part. Now that everything is at the same temperature, I'm going to pour it out into a bigger bowl so I can mix everything together freely. So I'm going to pour in the water first. I'm going to pour in the oil phase. Like I'm going to pour in phase A over phase B. Okay, and then immediately I'm going to go in and emulsify the product. You don't want to wait because you don't want any of the face to cool down before the other, because this is very tricky, guys. The science behind this is very tricky. If one cools down before the other or they're not on the same temperature, it will not emulsify and your product will not be stable. Okay, my first try, my product was not stabilized because I didn't do it right. So the first try when I was trying to reformulate it, I didn't do the measurement right, and I didn't went in as quickly as I was supposed to, and I didn't make sure all the temperature was on the same. So my product separated after a day, and we don't want that. So you have to make sure you follow everything by the T. Thank God I understand it now. I know exactly what to do, so don't worry. If you don't want to go through this, you can also purchase this product on my website at hendersonorganics.com. I did all the artwork for you guys, so you guys don't have to go through all this, so you can get the product on my website. This is the length retention moisturizing hair butter. Okay, so now we're just continuing to make sure we're mixing the product. So every 30 minutes or so you want to continue to mix your product, because as it cool down it will get thicken up. Okay, so you just have to keep stirring it because you want to make sure there's no lumps or chunks in your butter. You want it to be as smooth as possible. I mean cream. Oh my god, I just love to say butter when I mean cream. So every 30 minutes I will go in with my emulsifier and just kind of like smooth it out while it cools down. Currently it's still warm, so as it cools down it gets thicker and thicker, so don't worry. So now that my product is cooled down, and now I'm adding my heat sensitive ingredients, which is my essential oils. I had lavender oil, tea tree oil, and rosemary essential oil, as well as vitamin E oil and or preservative. This product contains preservative because of course it has water, so we know that we have to add preservative. But don't worry, I had a natural preservative, so you don't have to worry, your product is still 100% all natural. Guys, making hair products is not for the weak. It's not an easy task and it's not a quick task. It took me the entire day just to make this small batch of hair cream, guys. I promise you, the entire day, okay? But don't worry, as I said, you don't have to go through this. I went through it for you. I did all the research, all the hard work. So all you have to do is just purchase it and add it to your hair care routine and apply it as directed on the label and watch your hair become healthier, shinier, softer, thicker, more manageable, and way more moisturized and hydrated, which is going to help you to retain length. So if you're somebody that is not retaining length, this product is perfect for you. And if you're somebody that suffers with dry, damaged, brittle hair, this product is perfect for you. This is going to give you so much moisture and hydration that's going to reduce breakage and shedding and overall hair health. Okay, so get yourself one of these on my website and just watch your hair transform into its best version. You're going to experience softer, smoother, more manageable, a lot more healthier hair just by adding this butter to your routine and be consistent. Give your hair what it deserves and let it flourish to its full potential, okay? Your crown deserves the best, and this is the best. So what are you waiting for? Run on my website and get your length retention moisturizing hair butter and watch your hair flourish. This is the best moisturizing hair butter on the market, and to top it up, it is 100% all natural. So you guys know exactly what's in your product. So this is the end result. This is the consistency of the product, guys. This is so creamy. It's so thick. You just need a little bit go a long way. So this jar is gonna last you for a very long time. So you just need a little bit, rub it between your fingers and apply it to your hair, and you will see how soft, hydrated, manageable your hair becomes, which is going to stop shedding and breakage, which is gonna of course result in retaining length. So now you can see result on your hair growth journey, and this is the key. This length retention moisturizing hair butter is going to help you to see the result and the length you've been longing for. So this is the end result, guys. This is the end product. This is what you will receive in your mail. I am so proud. I feel so good. I feel so accomplished. And this is actually my second batch of the new formula. So oh my god, guys, this is everything that I got, and this was about, I think it was 8 or 7 jars. It took me the entire day to make 8 or 7 jars, but of course my little helper, you guys know her, she always helping. She's taking the butters out of the kitchen to me to pack on the shelf, and she just wants to help. She always wants to help. I just love her. She's my little helper, and this is what she's been using for the past 2 years as well. Now she has butt length hair. Don't let that her hairstyle fool you. Her hair is at butt length when it's out and stretch, it's at butt length, and this is what I've been using to help to retain her length. Okay, and this is what I use to retain my length as well. So she's just like so excited. Oh mommy, the butter, my hair is dry, I want butter. She always say that. So go on my website at Henderson Organics and stock up on your hair growth oil and your length retention moisturizing hair butter. So just in case you're wondering how to use the butter, guys, this is how you use it. On her wash day, when her hair is damp, I get a small amount and I apply it to her entire head. Normally I will section her hair, but this time I was actually pretty tired and I just want to be done. So what I did, I moisturized her entire hair at once, which you can do that. But if you have thicker hair or longer hair, you may want to section it to make sure every single strand get TLC. Okay, this butter also helps to act as a detangler. It softens up your hair in instant. As soon as you apply the butter to your hair, it lets your hair so soft and slippery, so it actually helps you to detangle. Okay, as you guys can see, the comb is gliding through our hair. Okay, so make sure you damp your hair first. If you're a natural girly, damp your hair first and then apply the butter, and then you can just detangle your hair, okay? And you also can use it as a daily moisturizer. You can just put some in your hand and just rub it in your hair as a daily moisturizer, because I do that throughout the week to keep her hair moisturized. If she sleep on a cotton pillow and suck all the moisture out of her hair, we will reapply the cream to her hair to make it more moisturize. So as you guys can see, I'm detangling her hair with ease, and I just do that, and then I just style her hair as usual. So this is the end result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.